Talk me through the EDM side then that you're going to be partnering with Winbro Technologies. We've got the machines behind us, but what are they doing?
Yeah, the speciality to expand our EDM range that we've already got through Mitsubishi, now with the Winbro products, allows us the ability to do high-speed drilling through very, very hard and tough materials. And that's what single point EDM, which is producing one hole, but we also have multi-hole function. So with the head, we can actually have multiple wires going through there, so we can do lots and lots of blending of multiple holes.
Yep, so morning anyway, Joe. This is the tmdr cutter. So this is a 3-in-1 thread mill, so you can produce a threaded hole without the need for drilling the hole first. So what you would do is circular interpolate, and then once you come out, you can chamfer the top of the hole to produce a completed feature with only the one tool.
Chloe, we're super excited because we're doing demonstrations on the FANUC ROBODRILL, but you're really impressed with what this machine is capable of, aren't you?
Oh yeah, definitely. The size of the machine and the amount of speeds and feeds and toughness of this machine to get these cuts on these 3 different materials is outstanding.
Wow, okay, and this here is one of the latest purchases that you've made, which is, of course, 3D printer.
Yeah, so this is our new toy. So it's printing at the minute. We have got a job on it at the moment for a new customer. We're doing bits of odds and sods with trials. But yeah, we're made up to purchase this. The reason we got this was to, like I said, to try and get into additive manufacturing for prototyping, for R&D work. If we can get a final project where we have a finalised part, we would never be able to offer the service to make that. So we have now invested in CNC machinery to be able to offer the full package.
Hello everybody, yes, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are here at FANUC headquarters here in Coventry, and we are going live. Now today's show is quite exciting actually. Our main request from Paul for today's live event was all about having metal cutting, seeing real-time metal blocks, swarf and chips flying everywhere, and that is exactly what today is all about. But it is all about their RoboDrill machine. Today you're going to see 3 demonstrations, one of which is in aluminium, one of which is in medium carbon steel, and the other which is stainless steel.
I have the pleasure today to return to Braith Engineering in Ipswich on behalf of SolidCam UK with Ben Miller.
Hi, Joe.
Now Ben, this is an absolutely fantastic application, and we're going to be looking at the machining of a solid titanium billet.
Welcome to the MTD Technical Corner. Today we have the pleasure to be technically reviewing the new Spectrum CMM from Zeiss, and I have the pleasure to also be joined by one of the most technical engineers that I have the pleasure to know. Welcome, David Shutes.
What an introduction. Good to see you again, Gio.
Brilliant. For Wardown Engineering, this is your first Citizen, well, your first sliding head machine, full stop. Why have you gone Citizen and why have you gone the L20?
We have gone to Citizen because they were known to me personally from previous work, and they proved by their timings, plans, ability to do the work, they proved that before we bought the machine, which was brilliant for us. It worked perfectly.
So obviously we are mainly known for our horizontal 5-axis machines. We thought it as a natural thing to bring to our market and our customers a 4-axis range of machines as well, so high quality 4-axis machine on the larger scale, I guess, with the small machine currently will be a 500mm pallet, rising up to a 630mm pallet, and then an 800mm pallet on top of that.
Hello everybody, yes, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are here at FANUC headquarters here in Coventry, and we are going live.
Yeah, there's plenty to sort out. There's been a few days of prep, which has been quite good, and to be honest, it's quite exciting to have all this kit and ready and, you know, film live.
3 cameras all come into here. Here we do the switching, and then all that fed into there, and this is where we control the graphics and the VTs and overlays and cutaways to GoPro, fed inside the machines. And then all the audio comes through here, which again gets fed into here, fed out to the live stream. This is where it's all controlled from, this is the cockpit.
And what we're going to do is we're going to run the machine and we're going to talk about the demonstration as it happens. Once the aluminium's done, we're then going to talk about the cutting tools back with the guys. We're then going to cut the mild steel and then we're going to cut the stainless. So that's going to happen throughout the next sort of 40 minutes or so. So Andy, do you want to press cycle start on the machine?
ITC has been going for over 25 years. We've got our own manufacturing plant in Tamworth, producing solid carbide products, and then that's backed up by the brands that we're 8 UK agents for. So.
Now, this is obviously a BBT30 machine, and that's the big focus today, to see what these machines can achieve. So we move on to this second demonstration. Compared to the aluminium, what are the things that you need to put in place on a machine like this? What are the differences in the strategies that you're now going to use? Well, press cycle start.
Cutting dry so everyone can see what we're doing on these first few tools.
Andy, the live event has just finished. How do you feel now in comparison to before we went live?
The sweat off my brow, I think it's. I'm really happy with how it went. Actually, I think you guys have done a really good job making everyone sort of feel at ease, and we set it up and it all went to plan. So yeah, good.
In short, what do you think is better about a live event as opposed to a pre-recorded video?
I think there's a few things. Firstly, how they're perceived on the social media channels. So, for example, they'll always take priority in people's feeds. So that means you're going to get additional visibility that you wouldn't get maybe from a normal pre-recorded video. Secondly, the build-up, you can create events. I mean, we had around about 600 people just on LinkedIn waiting to watch the event today. So immediately as it goes live, they're going to get notification.
For us, it's really getting that message across about showing the machine can do what we're saying. I think pre-recording, people can be a little bit sceptical about that, but in a live demo event, we really are producing and showing what the capabilities of the machine and our equipment is.
From all of us in front of the camera and behind the camera, thank you very much for watching. Lots of live events in the diary, so looking forward to seeing you very soon.
We're clear.